Monthly brief forecast. The horoscope report for October 2021. This is for the website, for the preview, for the YouTube and the Facebook. In the monthly preview brief forecast report for whole month of October 2021. In this particular preview, we only share with our viewership conclusion part 1 and Sun's transit effect for the whole month. Out of 10 parts, there are 10 parts in the whole premium content. 10 parts are like that. Transit effect of Sun, which represents your decision maker's attitude toward you and your legal status, and how the authority will behave with you. That is a Sun's transit, define that, and how you will behave with authority and how the authorities behave with you. That is Sun's transit effect. And premium content, we also share transit effect of Mercury, that represents your flow of income, your flow of career, your flow of information, your flow of money, your flow of business. Transit effect of Mars, we also include in premium content, which define your courage, your confidence, your family relationship, and your temper. Transit effect of Venus for whole month of this particular month. Venus transit effect define your comfort level, your lifestyle, your love life, your romantic life. How comfortable you are in this particular month. Yes. And conclusion part 1, conclusion part 2, conclusion part 3 define all the different shades of the month. Because the month have 30 to 31 days. The month will not be the same from the start to the middle to the end. No. Every few days the color keep on changing of the month. So we'll try to define in 3 parts the weather of the month, the whole environment of the month. And we also define what tasks you must do to balance the equation. Yes, of course. What precaution you must exercise as a discipline. What chanting you must do. That's all involved in premium content, which you can buy from the website if you want to. The website address is prakashastrologer.com. You can have the whole monthly content there to access, only for those people who can use this content for what they want to do. People who are enthusiastic about astrology, people who exercise astrology in their daily routine, people who want to use applied astrology for their own benefit. This particular applied premium content for only those people. Yeah. This is not for everybody's cup of tea. I'm not claiming that, but this is for those people who want to use the astrology in an applied manner. Yes. Taurus monthly brief forecast, month of October 2021. The transit of Sun for Taurus in 6th house. The transiting start of Sun for 6th house for Taurus is this particular transit is going to start from 17th October till 16th November 2021. This period brings success in every aspect of your life. You'll find yourself overcoming obstacles. It's a great time for successful problem solving. If anyone gets in your way, you will be able to deal with it very easily with a minimum aggravation. It is a good time to complete any unfinished projects, and you're likely to succeed in whatever you put your efforts in. Financially, you will also do well, and you'll find it easy to gain in general relationship. Your mental and physical health will be excellent. Your body will stay healthy. Your mind will be free of too much stress, anxiety. It's a better time. It's a very finest time to enjoy comforts and social relations, especially friendship with people in powerful position. There are good chances for promotion, honor, especially from authorities or government-related people. Sun transit in 6th house, the other facet. This transit is quite different from immediately preceding one, like a transit of Sun in 5th house. Now this is the time to examine problem of how you should manage yourself and what duties and responsibilities that entails. This is a house of work, of tasks that need to be done, which may necessitate postponing immediate gratification. Your focus should be on efficiency and effectiveness. Strive to make every action as possible much to the point of as possible. In your work, this is a good time to examine, refine your techniques and procedures. For your mind can work clearly, sharply to discover the best way of doing things. The only problem is you may have to, may I say that you have to cope with this time, and you will probably not to be on top of your heap, but you got to sort it out. That is, you will probably have to work according to someone else's wishes or needs. But because of this, you can find out whether you can lower your ego, drive, when the situation require it, you have to do that. If you cannot, you're likely to encounter quite a bit of a discomfort, conflict with people around you, which you shouldn't. This is the house of service, sixth house is the house of service, and you cannot spend all your effort getting your own way now. No, this has to be done very properly. Even if you are on your own boss, your actions will be dictated by someone else's needs, such as client's need or a customer's, or your sense of obligation may be internal. So you may have to live up to your own high standard expectation of self-control. Why not? This is the time to you have to do it very thoroughly and very proper disciplined way. Please. Taurus, due to Rahu's effect, position Lagna. So watch your arrogance, watch your temper, watch your stubborn attitude. Ketu position 7th house. Relationship can fluctuate. Relationship can be sour. Misunderstanding can be developed. Mars, Sun position 5th house. Watch your aggression. Watch your actions, watch your conduct. Mercury, Venus in 6th house. Look after your relationship. You must be aware of any health issues, complications, illusions, confusion, health issues. You must be aware of ego and aggression in your mannerism. Please watch your word of speech and your temper. Any relationship fluctuations, cheating, deception, fraud. You must be aware of family relationship row. You must watch your mannerism, behavior, attitude. Taurus, conclusion for the month of October 2021. Conclusion part 1 for Taurus. During this phase of time, Taurus, your confidence will be par excellence. Your family life will also be flourishing in this period. You might get to hear some sort of a good news through communication. Sudden travel will bring good luck. There are a lot of great chances of you getting a promotion if employed. Anyhow, a change in place or profession is not ruled out. Taurus, you will be quite happy during this phase of time, and your efforts will start giving you good result. You'll enjoy a good relationship with your parents, seniors, government authorities. Long distance travel shall be rewarding. Your friends and associates will assist you in general progression will be there. Your mind will bend toward a lot of spiritualism or higher philosophy of life. There are chances for you entering into new project, new venture, new job or new business, or you might change a job. Your opponent will not be able to do any harm to you. Health have to be taken care of. Taurus, in this coming month of October, you'll get sometimes mixed result, mixed rewards. You'll find sudden stroke of luck. Your social circle will be wide. This is not a good period if you're thinking to start a new relationship. Be careful. Refrain from any unnecessary bitterness, arguments, conflicts, disputes, enmity with loved one. Please. Your expenditure will be rising unexpectedly. Traveling will not be much of use. There are chances of getting involved in a lot of risky jobs, risky ventures. Probably this is not the right particular period to take any risk. Health have to be taken care of. Taurus, October 2021, conclusion part 2. In this coming month of October, you will enjoy good amount of success and reputation will be enhanced. You can also utilize this period for concentration, meditation and yoga. There is a good chances of likelihood of coming in contact with head of organizations. Those kind of meeting can happen. You'll have a tremendous confidence to carry out any project. Family atmosphere will be supporting and rising family member support will be there. Long distance travel will be rewarding. And this time particular period, you got to look after your marriage relationship, and if there is any out of control behavior, just calm down yourself. Health problem may deprive you from normal routine. Health have to be taken care of. Service condition will be good. You may not be able to keep harmony between you and your family members. Opponent will have an edge over you. Try to develop resistance against any awkward situation. A heavy expenditure is also indicated. Month of October 2021, Taurus. You will look forward to life with a great deal of zeal and enthusiasm. At the same time, you will be bold, courageous, but violent in temper. This period is unfavorable for love and romance. Contemplation may cause losses, hence it must be avoided. Family life can suffer due to health issues. There might be possibility of sudden traveling, so be prepared. Taurus conclusion part 3. In the month of October, you must be careful as far the power of judgment and discrimination may deteriorate. Health of your family member may create a lot of problems. Speculation should be avoided. Some expenditure is likely to be incurred on affairs that are outside your control. Friends, associates may disappoint you. Journey will be tiring. Taurus, month of October, during this phase of time, you will be inclined to do a lot of things. Do not indulge in illusions. A sense of fear may predominate you in this period. Your own people will deceive you at many occasions. Rashness won't lead you anywhere. Your friendship with companion may not be the coordinated plan of making quick money should be scrutinized first. Try to live with facts, not on memories. Health issues of secret nature might disturb your happiness. Look after yourself. During this phase of time, your expenditure will be rising beyond your control. Health problem could also be there. Your opponent may try to damage your reputation. Anyhow, service condition will be satisfactory, but work burden is clearly indicated. You might have to be involved in a lot of thankless job. Family life will create a lot of tension for you. You should try to avoid the use of, try not to use too much harsh language. Refrain from unnecessary aggression. And may I say, stop criticizing people. Watch your language. As far as possible, travel should be avoided. If you don't have to travel, don't do that. You might need a completed monthly horoscope report for yourself, which you can get it from my website, prakashastrologer.com, which can give you complete analysis of the whole month. Define your sun's transit effect. That will tell you how the decision maker, land of the law, will behave with you. Mars effect, your mannerism, your confidence. Mercury transit effect, your flow of income, your flow of money, your flow of career. Venus transit effect, your lifestyle and your love life. Extensive monthly horoscope report define you what astrological task you must do in the time of your need. What precautions you must implement in your routine to save your skin. What sacred chanting you must do to achieve the spiritual blessing for your own well-being. For that kind of report, kindly visit my website, prakashastrologer.com. Acquire the monthly horoscope report, implement the report, achieve your best.